Greetings. My name is Daniel DiStasio, and I am your instructor for this English composition course ENG 123. I want to welcome you to the course, and I want to let you know I'm excited to be sharing this experience with you, and I look forward to a profitable and successful journey over the next 8 weeks. A few words about myself. I live in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I am a writer, and I am very excited to finally have completed my second novel just recently, and it is out hopefully to have a look at by editors, and maybe down the road we'll see it in print. I also write short stories and some essays, and have published fairly extensively, and I love to write. I've also worked through most of my adult life as a professional writer in marketing and advertising. So I love the written word, I love to read the written word, and I love to share my passion for writing, because I really, it is a passion for me, and to sit down and have the time to write is a great joy. But I will share one thing with you. Writing takes time, it takes patience, and often we get frustrated because we want it to be right away. And if there's one thing about writing, it doesn't always happen right away. So in this course, we will focus on writing a persuasive essay, and we will follow the writing process. And it is a series of steps, and it can seem laborious. It can seem as if you're repeating the same thing sometimes, and yet it is by that revisiting and thinking and carefully considering your words that make it excel. So here I am in Fort Lauderdale. I also love to travel. I recently returned from a trip to Poland and the Czech Republic, which was both stunningly beautiful in terms of historical architecture and scenery in Krakow and Prague. It was also kind of somewhat moving as I visited Auschwitz. I think one of the most important things that I would like to share with you is the vital need for communication, and that is communication in your life, in your work, and in this class. So I want to encourage you strongly to reach out to me if you need help at any time. I am very accessible, and I am always willing to stop and try and answer questions, guide you, toss ideas, share, and do my best to help you do your best. I think as a teacher, there are three things that we need that are important. One is to lead, and when I say lead, I'm not lecturing, but it is, I've been down this path, and so I'm hoping that you go down the path with me, and that is always helpful. It's also important to learn, and that means I need to learn. To be a good teacher, I need to constantly be open to new ideas, as you do too. And finally, to listen. And I'm here to listen, and I'm here to help. And I mean that very sincerely. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing your work and seeing your success. And I wish you the best. Stay in touch.